Tonight, FEMA continues to bring support to survivors 2 months after Hurricane Ian hit Southwest Florida. Now, as the deadlines draw near, it is increasing outreach to families. As 10 Tampa Bay's Adore Achumba tells us, teams are canvassing hard-hit neighborhoods to make sure everyone is getting the help they need.
Staff with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, search for homeowners. They're combing neighborhoods still trying to rebuild after Hurricane Ian. They are part of the Disaster Survivor Assistance Team.
Our job primarily is to go into the field and go door to door, reaching out to the survivors.
In the past 2 months, teams have visited more than 261,000 homes and met with more than 129,000 individuals. They're answering questions and addressing concerns that survivors might have about damages and available assistance.
Water intrusion into the homes is a big problem, and it will damage the walls, the floors, there'll be mold problems.
Some of those with needs who the FEMA workers are meeting include those with transportation and accessibility issues. A few of them are homebound seniors or homeowners with medical restrictions that require them to have such services in the comfort of their own home.
People do fall through the cracks. They're unaware that they're eligible for assistance. They see other people's homes with major damage or a lot of damage.
So far, FEMA has provided $771 million in grants to more than 538,000 applicants for individual and household programs. FEMA hopes the DSA team's outreach will help survivors jumpstart or move forward with their recovery process.
When they see a friendly face or somebody representing them, they like having that interaction face to face with people.
More than 1,800 households are also sheltered in hotels at FEMA's expense. In Northport, Adore Achumba, 10 Tampa Bay.
In addition, FEMA is giving Floridians more time to apply for federal aid in the aftermath of Hurricane Ian. So this applies to 26 counties, including many in Tampa Bay, except for Hernando and Citrus. You now have until January 12th to file for federal help. You can apply to disasterassistance.gov. We have that link right now on 10tampabay.com.